Welcome to Kitpichai Witaya School online class. This video will help to explain how place value works.
How much is this number worth? Our objective, we will identify the value of a digit because of its place value. Each digit in a number has a special value. This value is called place value. Place value is how much a digit is worth because of where in the number we find that particular number or that particular digit. We have the ones place, the tens place, those are groups of tens. We have the hundreds place, those are groups of 100. We have the thousands place, those are groups of, you guessed it, 1,000. We have the 10,000s place, and we have the 100,000s place. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. Here in this number we have 123,456. The 6 happens to be in the ones place. That means we have 6 little pieces. The 5 is in the tens place, and that means that we have 5 groups of 10. 5 groups of 10 equals 50. The 4, we put that in the hundreds place, and that means that we have 4 groups of 100, or 400. The 3 is in the thousands place. It means we have 3 groups of 1,000, or 3,000. The 2 happens to be in the 10,000s place. That's 2 groups of 10,000, also known as 20,000. And the 1 happens to be in the 100,000s place. It's 1 group of 100,000, or 100,000 pieces. Take a look here. I have a place value chart. You see it goes from the 100,000s all the way down to the ones. We have the number 376,524. The 4 is in the ones place, so it's 4 ones. The 2 is in the tens place. Again, 2 groups of 10 equals 20. The 5 is in the hundreds place. It's 5 groups of 100, or 500. The 6 is in the thousands place. 6 groups of 1,000, or 6,000. The 7 is in the 10,000s place, or 70,000, 7 groups of 10,000. And the 3 is in the 100,000s place. It's 3 groups of 100,000. Here's another chart for us to look at. This number is 948,172. We have 2 groups in the ones place, or 2 pieces. We have 7 in the tens place, or 7 groups of 10, so that's 70. We have 1 group of hundreds, or 100. We have an 8 in the thousands place. That's 8 groups of 1,000, or 8,000. In the 10,000s place, we have 4 groups. So that's 4 groups of 10,000, or 40,000. And we have a 9 in the 100,000s place, or 9 groups of 100,000. Okay, let's take a look at this. How much is the underlined digit worth? So the first thing we have to figure out is what place is underlined. So the 3 is in the 10,000s place. So we're going to see that the 3 is in the 10,000s place. It's worth 30,000. Okay, how much is this underlined digit worth? You can see that it's a 9 in the hundreds place. 9 groups of 100, or 900. Here we have the number 629,115. How much is the underlined 5 worth? Well, that 5 happens to be in the ones place, so it is worth just 5. It's 5 pieces. How much is the underlined digit worth in this number? We have the number 234,685. You can see that the 2 is in the 100,000s place, or it's worth 200,000. And in this number, the underlined digit is the 8. That 8 is in the tens place, so it is worth 80. It's 8 groups of 10. In this number, 921,548, we have a 5 in the hundreds place. It's 5 groups of 100, or 500. Okay, let's review. Each digit in a number has a place value. Where it's located tells you how much that digit is worth. And each place value is 10 times more than the one next to it. Again, we have the ones. Then we have the tens, that's 10 times more. Then we have the hundreds, that's 10 times more than the tens. Then we have the thousands, so that's 10 times more than the hundreds. We have the 10,000s, so that's 10 times more than the thousands place. We have the 100,000s, that's 10 times more than the 10,000s place. So that's place value there for you: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s.